how to use PayPal. PayPal is a way to send and receive money online. You can use PayPal to shop on thousands of websites or to send money quickly to anyone with an email address. In this guide, we are going to show you how to set up a PayPal account that can be used or buy sale online. When using eBay and other online shopping websites, you will need a computer with an internet connection, a bank account, and or credit debit card. Follow these step-by-step instructions to learn how to use PayPal. Step 1. Go to the PayPal website and click sign up. A new page will open with an option to choose between a personal or business account. A personal account is all you need for buying online secrets, the type of account, and then click continue. Step 3. You now have to fill in your name, email address plus a password. When you have added your details, click next. Next you will be asked to complete your address detail. This is will also be your billing address and may also be the address you will want times to be delivered to, although it does not have to be if you are buying something as a gift. Once you have completed this, click in the second box to confirm that you have read and understood the user agreement. Please note the top box should only be ticked if you are on a computer in your own home and are completely confident that no one would be able to access your account. If you have any doubt, then leaving it empty. Click on agree and create account. Step 5. A new window will open giving you two options. The first choice is to start shopping with retailers who accept PayPal. The second is to send money to someone. In this explain are concentrating on buying online PayPal using, so click on get started. Step 6. In this next window you can add your credit or debit card. Setup 7. When shopping or even donating to a charity online, you can use PayPal whenever you see their logo. All you need to do is enter your email address and password to make a payment. Using PayPal means that you do not share any of your bank details with the seller. The only information they get is from PayPal. PayPal are instant so there is no more waiting for goods to be dispatched once a check has cleared banking. PayPal also automatically offer PayPal Bond protection, which means you can make a claim to get your money back if goods you have paid for don't turn up. They are not as the seller described when they are arrive.